This is Ryan Sturm from EngageByPlay.com. In this video, we are going to look at the objectives and materials contained in the solo missions in the Fiona San Francisco unit. The concept of the solo missions is that students are challenged to study 10 or more geographic locations each week, with the exciting theme of being secret agents who need to know their geography to chase criminals around the world. You will administer this much like you would a weekly spelling test. Students study during the week and have a test near the end of the week. The students who pass move on to the next harder mission, and those who do not restudy for the test until they master it. There are 10 missions in the unit. The expectation is that almost all students in your class by the end of 10 weeks will have mastered the continents, major world countries, and all 50 U.S. states by at least reaching Mission 6 over the 10-week unit, with more advanced students also learning Canadian geography and the locations of U.S. and world cities. Now let's look at what's in the unit. This is what your unit will look like. You'll have a portfolio of different PDFs to open and print or view. First, you'll probably want to look at this one, with a full introduction explaining what is in the unit and instructions for using the material. Next, you'll see materials to create 24 badges with individual wacky personalities for each of the students in your class. You will find such detectives as Agent Teriyaki and Agent Anita Haircut. The next PDF is the case files. These are given to students at the beginning of the week to prepare for their mission, or after they pass a mission, they'll get the next one. On it, you can see the criminal that they have to catch, what they have stolen, and down at the bottom is all the material that they need to study. In the following pages, there is one page for them to fill in with the correct information, and another page that they can leave blank to practice with. Here are the missions, or the quizzes. You'll give these on Thursday or Friday. There are two different versions of each, an A version and a B version. This helps to prevent cheating. It's also useful when a student needs to take a test multiple times. You can give them a different version next time. There are also modified versions of the first 5 missions that divides them into half to assist students with special needs, allowing them to take the regular missions over 2 weeks. These are labeled as version C and version D. Of course, you'll need a full answer key with clear answers to all of the versions of the missions to make it easy to correct the student's work. Any student who makes it all the way to solo mission number 10, titled The Impossible Mission, will be treated to a special electronic version of the mission, which they can take on a class computer or on the class InterWrite board. There are 2 versions of this as well. Optionally, you can track each student's progress using a bulletin board in the class to mark how many missions each child has passed, or you can track them on your interactive whiteboard. The materials to create either of these versions are available through the unit as well. You can get all of this material separately as the Arresting Archie Enemy module. Or you can get all of this material and even much more with the full Finding Fiona San Francisco unit, which includes the agency group missions and the exciting full class final mission. These units, as well as many other fantastic free resources, can be found at EngageByPlay.com.